taste test on bird's eye cauliflower wings. We're gonna see what this tastes like. Okay, here is the cauliflower. It smells like cauliflower too. I'm gonna try it. There was some sauce that came with it that I'm gonna try. You know, that's not bad. It doesn't taste like chicken, but it's not bad. So let's see if we can get this package open and see what it tastes like with a little bit of this sauce they included in the package. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this chicken, or this cauliflower chicken, it's not bad, but no way you would mistake this for chicken. But not bad. Sauce doesn't give it too much of a difference, but it's kind of has a mild spice to it. I guess it's trying to make it taste like spicy chicken. Question is, would I buy it again? Only if it's on sale. Due to the price that it was I think it was on sale for like 2 for 4 or something of that nature. You don't get a lot of them. It's not bad. The calories are a bit high. I think it's like 220 calories, but if you look at it, not bad. I guess if you really want to eat something that tastes kind of like chicken, well, I can't lie. It tastes nothing like chicken. This is the first time I've eaten cauliflower that tasted anything outside of cauliflower. Now, looking at this looks like this has been breaded, which could explain the additional calories on it. But it's not bad at all. It really isn't too painful. If you have an obsession with chicken, like I do. But it's not bad. So, give it a shot. I actually found this in Food Line completely by mistake. Give it a shot and let me know what you think of it. But it's not bad. It's not great. And it definitely doesn't taste like chicken. But it's not bad. So, till next time, family. Take care.